Some days you feel your best by getting ready, doing your makeup, hair, putting on a nice outfit, making yourself look super good, and just going out into the day. But other days, to refuel yourself, you really just want to be by yourself and relax. So I like to take a purple bath. It's my favorite way to relax. I just start running the bath water and add a purple shampoo to make it purple. Of course, you can add just regular soap or bath bomb. Epsom salts really relax my muscles and they detox you. And I like to add lavender oil. And something about bathing in a magical purple bath is just so lovely. While it's running, I like to put on my essential oils, usually a mix of lavender and something else, like tea tree or eucalyptus. Of course, a candle because I want all the ambience, all the vibes. Do some face masks, usually some hot chocolate, maybe some tea, coffee, and usually like to write or meditate. Just spend time with myself and relax. And nothing recharges me like this. It is so relaxing and I really recommend it.